PayPal, which is one of the biggest financial companies in the world, is now officially in the crypto space. They have also said some things that are very good for people who own SHIBs. This is the year's most important news story. You should see this if you are interested in Shiba in any way or if you have any SHIB tokens. What's the latest news about Shiba Inu coins? How will this affect their value? When I make my movie today, I'll answer these questions and tell you all about the new information about Shiba that will make its prices go up. Because I did a lot of study for this video, please watch it all the way through so you don't miss anything. Oh, and before we go any further, this station gives away 1 million Shiba tokens every day. To enter, all you have to do is like this video and leave a message with the hashtag Shiba Inu. Have fun. Let's look at the map to see what the price of Shiba is doing on November 14th before we get to our subject. Let's do it. The new price of a Shiba is about 848 units today. There were $212 million worth of trades in SHIB in the last 24 hours, which is a 4% drop in price. The token is also the 20th most expensive cryptocurrency right now, with a market cap of over $4.9 billion. It's possible that prices will have changed by the time you watch this movie. The information here is not financial advice. Also, use the link in the description to check out our brand new Telegram group. There is a micro market cap gem that will go through the roof in value. Join the free group to learn more about the project. Let's watch today's movie. Shiba's Shibarium merging Inu. For sheep farmers, it's a new age. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer of the famous cryptocurrency project Shiba Inu, has recently shared important details about how Shibarium, Shiba, will be integrated into Inu's Layer 2 blockchain. With trades that are centralized, Shibarium is about to grow. Talks about integrating the market are still going on. In answer to a question on the Shibarium Telegram group, Kusama confirmed that the team is working with new partners to make it easier for Shibarium to be added to centralized exchange platforms. This change shows that Shiba is making a plan to make Shibarium more available and useful in the crypto ecosystem. The enthusiastic reaction of the community. The Shiba community has responded positively to Kusama's news, with members showing their excitement on social media with different emojis. This answer shows how excited the community is about Shibarium's growth and how it might affect how people use and join the network. Shibarium gets past its early problems, marking an impressive success and adoption milestone. Since it began in the middle of August, Shibarium had a technical problem after months of hard work on it, which the team quickly fixed. The network has been fault-free and has shown strong performance since its restart on August 28. List of stats and achievements. According to Shibarium's scan records, there have been almost 4 million transactions. There are more than 1.26 million addresses on the network, and more than 1.61 million blocks have been made. These impressive numbers show that Shibarium has the ability to be a very good blockchain network. Shibarium is growing, and it is now working with some of the biggest platforms and wallets. Notably, the Turkish cryptocurrency exchange Bitcoin Tree has already added support for Shibarium. This lets users transfer and withdraw money through the network. Also, GroveX, an Australian cryptocurrency exchange, announced plans for integration. Shibarium has gotten a lot of attention from big crypto projects, like the Atomic Wallet integration with non-custodial decentralized wallets. What the future holds. Shibarium's potential merging with centralized exchanges is still being talked about, and more crypto projects and platforms are showing interest. This points to a bright future for the network. If Shibarium's growth and use go well, it could greatly improve Shiba Inu's place in the digital asset space, giving users around the world a more flexible and easy-to-use platform. As Shibarium develops, it becomes clearer that it has the ability to change the crypto world and encourage more people to use blockchain. If you're still watching, please hit the like button. It doesn't cost anything and really helps the channel out. But keep watching to find out what's new with the Shiba Inu and what the future might hold for them. The Shiba Inu is about to see a 12% price increase. Shiba Inu is showing signs of a bullish rise, which could cause its price to go up by about 12%. Shiba's new daily chart shows a steady upward trend that is backed by a string of higher lows and higher highs. This is a classic sign of bullish momentum. Shiba Inu prices have been moving in a way that suggests they are likely to keep going up. This means that they may be about to set a new high. Based on technical research, the Shiba Inu is currently in a strong uptrend. Its price is above both the 50-day and 100-day moving averages, which show that it is trading above them. This line usually means that there is a strong bullish presence in the market, which supports the current price and sets the stage for more gains. There are no signs of overbuying or overselling on the relative strength index right now. Since the RSI is staying the same, it seems like Shiba has room to grow without the immediate risk of a big sell-off because it is too expensive. By looking at the volume profile, we can see that trading has picked up during the upswings. This suggests that investors are becoming more interested and that there may be times when they want to buy more. Price often goes up before volume, and the increased buying pressure could be a sign that prices are about to go up a lot. Also, the crypto community has been buzzing with news stories that make investors feel better about Shiba Inu. As the token's burn rate goes up, this lowers the supply, and the ecosystem is growing. There are also hopes for Shibarium, SHIB's own blockchain. All of these good things are adding to the hype. If SHIB keeps going in the same direction and market conditions stay good, it will be able to hit a 12% increase from where it is now. But it's important to remember that meme assets are typically unstable. Even if the signs are good, you should still be careful when dealing with this asset. But stay tuned, because we're about to show you what else has been going on with the Shiba Inu coin and how this will affect the project's value in the short and long run. It's now time for the video's main story. What does PayPal have to do with Shiba Inu? PayPal seems to have changed its mind about how it deals with the cryptocurrency business. It used to be against cryptocurrencies, but now it seems to be on the opposite side of a coin. This is what the senior vice president of PayPal has to say about Bitcoin and PayPal. What do you think about the chance to change the way payments are made? When you look at the basics of the technology, like how much transactions cost, how long they take to settle, and how easily the tokens can be programmed, you can do things that you couldn't do with traditional payment rates. This is important to us, and we want to be a part of it. By the way, we also believe that the change won't happen right away. Look at how many stablecoins are out there right now. There are about 120 billion of them. Most of the time, they use Web3 use cases and crypto communities. And we think that will stay the case for a while, with some emergencies in certain areas, like money transfers or video games. It's definitely a smart move for us. We like the basics, and we like that you can do things with payments that you couldn't do before. It's also clear that this is a critical technology for us. Aside from that, he said something very interesting about the crypto gaming industry. Shiba Inu is involved with this industry because of the Shiba Eternity game. This is what he said. I'm really interested in the video game business for money. When people look at video games from the outside,